No one is born to hate. No one dreams of being misunderstood. No one says, tell my story wrong. Make me the villain.
Our family, Arab or Muslim, whatever, we come from all kinds of different backgrounds.
The Muslim story is the American story.
Most people don't wish to live behind walls they never built.
I think it helps to break down the walls of ignorance.
Discussion and dialogue and seeking for the truth.
No one asked for the voices lost in the shadows.
I believe that you have to stand up and let your voice be heard.
And then, a light in the darkness. A story that dares to reach across. A bridge built from truth. One story at a time.
You know, there's really nothing that's that different about us.
Doesn't matter who you are, you have a story to tell that can connect you.
A story told different, seen different, felt different.
We can't do it ourselves.
The main goal is to support our communities.
Working together to build a more beautiful world.
Real stories don't whisper. They break through.
And then you move forward and keep making your own story.
Because understanding isn't the end of the story. It's the start of something bigger.
My hope is to see us as Muslims come together and make the difference in America.
It's not the end of the story, it's the beginning of another story.
Unity Productions Foundation is a non-profit media company that uses cinematic storytelling to dismantle stereotypes and redefine how we engage with one another in a divided world. Subscribe to UPF and help change the narrative.